Now, would you extra be careful? Sometimes you leave your door open, it's okay. But sometimes when you hear the news, there's a thieves and there's a robber, then you get extra be careful, extra cautious. You lock your door. You don't want the thieves to, the robbers to come to your home. So similarly, Allah says, I have made this month for you, so you have to be extra be careful what you do. So this will help you to become strong by battling your nafs. This is the main cause why Allah has made this month. To learn how to battle your nafs, because this is the root cause of all the problems. He makes you do these things and that wrong things, but especially in the month of Ramadan, Allah said, this is my month. If you have a respect, you have a love for me, then you will, regardless any situation, you will control yourself. And the word is tattaqun, the word taqwa. That means we have few things that Shaitan wants to destroy our soul. The few things are through our eyes, what do we see? Through our ears, what do we hear? Through our tongue, what kind of language we use. So these are the holes of Shaitan. Shaitan wants to go inside and he wants to impure our soul.